Hi YouTubers, it's Hilda here. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I transformed this wig from looking dead like this to looking banging like you can see in this video like this. Well, you might not know it's a curly wig yet, but by the end of this video you'll know. So guys, this is the wig. Before we get on with it, I hope you guys remember how I washed this wig in the last video. If you have not watched that one, you can just check it on the link somewhere on the screen. It's going to show up. Yeah, so now let's just introduce the product to be using. This is the leave-in hair conditioner. I'm going to be applying it on the hair. That's just the only product we'll be using. There's no more terere in this video. I'm going to just add water to my spray bottle and then the leave-in conditioner. So I'll just shake it and to ensure the water and the conditioner mix up really well, and then spray on the hair just little at a time until we cover up the whole hair.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me.
This hair is really dry, so I have to be very thorough while applying the products on the hair, the water and conditioner mixture. So compliment of the season, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the holidays and having that well-deserved rest. Please do not just spray the outer parts of this wig. You need to raise the other layers because the under might not be getting enough product as much as the other parts, so you need to be thorough with that. As you can see, this part I just raised doesn't have it. Well, the products were not even reaching there, so I'm going to just sprinkle more water on it. I keep saying water more product. Okay, so we need to pay attention to the tips of the hair, because if you don't comb it out really well or add enough product, it will get tangled, and it's literally where you need to focus on even while combing your hair before you start applying all these products. So I think at this point the hair is looking transformed already. Now this is like the final result. All I need to do now is just to give it some parting. It's a frontal wig. I think I'm going to make another video on how I style my wigs. I'm going to style this wig different style. I really want to show you guys different styles on it, and I'll be sure to let you guys know when I'm doing that upload. I think next week will be fine. Okay, so now we just have to part it into it's the wig is such that you can actually wear it like a closure wig if you don't want to style it. So this is what it looks like, guys. You guys should give me my flowers. I we pay detailed attention to the root of the hair, and that's why it's looking like this. It's looking so nice. Now this is how you make your wig come alive even if you did not wash it. If you're going out after adding this product, over time you could just add water in your spray bottle and just give it some good spray and you're good to go. Okay, so guys, are you going to try this out? If you will, please let me know. I'm going to be putting the name of the hair conditioner I use in the description box just down below. That's it, guys, for now. Till the next video, I love you guys and thank you for all the support. I do not take it for granted. Bye.